All right, we're in right now in Adobe Camera Raw, and we will see how to straighten a photo or an image, especially if it is like this image you see on the screen. This is one of my images, and it's not the perfect one. But, you gotta get the idea after watching this tape. So what I want to do is, as you can see, the horizon here is kind of it's not straight. So what we want to accomplish is to straighten this and then do some retouching, do some adjustments to this image so that the image can pop. And you will see how easy it is to do that in Camera Raw. Right now I'm using Camera Raw 12.2 in Adobe Photoshop 2020. You can use all the versions also. This will work all right. So the first way we will do this is we will see the manual way to do it, the hard way to do it first, and then I'm going to show you the automatic ways to accomplish that. First of all, we will come here to the crop tool here, and we will click here to the left. We will drag. As you can see, a marquee being drawn here. I will release. Then I will click. I will hold Shift and click. Click and drag in this way to just crop it a little bit slightly. Then what I'm gonna do, I will come here to the right. I release, of course. I will come here to the right and then rotate the image. While I'm rotating the image, I'm paying attention to the horizon because what I want to do is to straighten this. You see, I will make sure I'm paying attention to the horizon. I will release, then double click. As you can see, the image is straightened, but that's gonna lack precision. You would agree with me. So to avoid that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna see what Camera Raw has installed to do that in a precise and automatic way. So let's undo this. We will come here in the tools panel here. We will click here. You see the straighten tool. Then you will see this. You will see a kind of shape with a kind of angle little icon. And just like in Photoshop, you will have the option to click and drag. So we will come here to the left, click, drag. Don't release the mouse here. You let go, double click, you're done. Cool, huh? Okay, let's undo that. I'm gonna show you a few different ways to do that also. So let's undo this. We will other ways to do that. We will use the transform tool here. We click on this, and just like in Lightroom, we have different options you can use to straighten an image or to correct an image. You can correct perspective, you can correct vertical, and so on. You get the idea. So we've got one here. We will start here. And as you can see, this is the automatic way to apply a balance correction to your image. I will click on it. The image is straightened. I will undo this. Second one, the level, click, and it's straightened. Undo. Vertical, just like in Lightroom. I don't know how, but it's straightened horizons also. So it works. I will undo this. Use this one. And it works also. Let's undo this, and here we go. So we have different multiple ways to do to straighten our image and to get the result we want. Let me put in the automatic, and let's try to now do a few adjustments to this image so that we can make it pop up before we finish this video. Okay. I'm gonna bring down the highlight, just the shadow a little bit, and I'm gonna press Alt or Option on my keyboard and drag until just before I see the blue colors here. I will do this. On the blacks also, I'm holding Alt and dragging until I see a little bit of this. I will add clarity. A little bit of clarity, the haze, just touch my contrast. Just go up here, just touch the contrast a little bit of vibrance, and just basic adjustments so that we can make the image pop a little bit more. So I will push up the aquas a little bit. In the water, in general, we have aquas. The blues a little bit. We'll push it up a little bit, and I think we're almost done. Just basic adjustment that you can do on an image. I will go back. I will also add a gradient filter, saturated filter here. You see, as you can see, that makes the image quite beautiful here. Okay, and I will press skip to get out this, and yeah, just I can then sharpen the image a little bit. So, and you can see before and after, beautiful. So just a bonus, just a bonus thing given to you just for this video. So see you next time with this.